Hi everyone, today I will show you how to record a Google Meet sessions even if you are just a participant. Recording directly in Google Meet is only available for the host or participants who get permissions. And if you are just a regular participant, you will need to use a screen recorder. And for example, you can use Bandicam. You can download it from your browser like this. Just search for Bandicam and then just download from this page. It has the free versions that let you record up to 10 minutes per file with a watermark that will show in this part, but it's still reliable and you can simply start a new recording if your meeting is longer. Like this, in this Bandicam, you can also choose your recording mode or your recording area. Just select a recording area or just select rectangle mode, full screen or specific window. Or even you can also just record around your mouse, and even you can record from audio only. Then you can also select your format of your video by click settings and then just choose your size, PPS, quality, and the format of your audio. And even you can also set your microphone volume. And that's it, you are ready to capture your Google Meet sessions anytime. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.